Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Nabila Imran and I am your science teacher. Today we are going to start with the new unit, and our new unit is plants around us. Beta, before starting with the reading of our unit, I'll give you some very important information about the plants. Now let us go to a garden. We shall find several plants in a garden. Here we have a gardener. He keeps the garden. Let us know what he tells us. Gardener says this is a rose plant. It is a medium-sized plant with a strong woody stem. The rose plant is a shrub. This is a mango tree. We sit under the tree for taking rest and enjoy its shade after working hard. This is a mango tree. We sit under the tree for taking rest and enjoy its shade after working hard. It has a big and strong stem which is called a trunk. It is a large-sized plant. This is a beanstalk and it is a climber. It has a weak stem and it needs support to grow tall. Let us sit here on the green grass. It has delicate small stem. Grass is a herb. Look at the banana plants. The banana plant is a herb. There are many other plants such as cactus, coconut, mushroom, lotus. Plants are very important for us. They give us food, shelter, medicine. There are various uses of plants. Plants are used in medicines such as tulsi. Plants give us vegetables such as potato, cucumber, onion, and coriander. Plants also give us fruits such as apple, mangoes, banana, and guava. The wood of big trees is used to make furniture. The wood of big trees is also used in making vehicles such as boat, cart, etc. Trees and plants keep the air clean. Plants and trees also provide food and shelter for animals. Plants are very important. We must plant more trees so that our environment remains clean. Now students, let's start with the reading of unit number 4, plants around us. Plants are living things. They need water, air, sunlight and soil to grow. Some plants grow into trees. Most of the plants have green leaves and flowers of pretty colors. They are very beautiful. We love to see plants around us. Dear students, this paragraph is telling us that plants are living things. First of all, I'll tell you that what are living things. Living things eat, breathe, grow, move, and reproduce. Like all other living things, plants are also living things. Therefore, plants need water, air, sunlight, and soil to grow. Some plants remain small and some plants grow into trees. You all have seen plants and you all know the color of the leaves. Yes, the color of the leaves is always green. And some plants have flowers on them. Look at this picture. Here you can see that a small plant is growing into a big plant with the help of soil, water, air and sunlight. So here we need to remember that a plant needs, all of you repeat with me, soil, water, air and sunlight to grow. Now students, next we have parts of plants. Plants have mainly 3 parts. Following are the parts of the plants: leaves, stem, roots. Leaves are green in color. Leaves and stem are above the soil while roots are below the surface. Now I'll explain this in detail. First we will start from the roots. Roots originate from the lower portion of a plant inside. The roots provide support to the stem. Then we have stem. Stem, it is the stalk of the plant. It helps the plant to stand upright. It carries minerals and water from the roots to the different parts of the plants. Then we have leaves. Leaves grow on the stem and branches. They are usually green due to the presence of chlorophyll that helps them to prepare their food. Leaves also make oxygen in the air that we breathe. Yes, students, you all know that oxygen is very, very important for all the human beings. Now, next we have types of plants. There are different types of plants. Some are flowering plants and some are non-flowering plants. As you can see over here, there are two types of plants. Number one is, all of you say with me, flowering plants, and number two is non-flowering plants. First of all, we will see that what are flowering plants. Flowering plants produce flowers and fruits. Rose is a flowering plant. It bears flowers of different pretty colors with pleasant smell. Students, here is a rose plant. It grows flowers of different colors and their smell is very pleasant. Next we have daffodils are also flowering plants. They bear flowers of different pretty colors. Now here is another beautiful plant that grows flowers with the pleasant smell. Sunflower is a flowering plant. It has flowers of pretty yellow color. Here is a sunflower plant. It grows flowers of yellow color. Next we have orange is also a flowering plant. It has beautiful flowers and bears fruits. Apple is also a flowering plant. It gives us flowers and fruits both. Pomegranate is also a flowering plant. It bears red colored small flowers and fruits. Students, here we have two more plants that grows fruits and as well as flowers. Non-flowering plants. Those plants which do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. These are mostly evergreen plants. Fern is a non-flowering plant. Its leaves are green and do not bear flowers. Palm plant is also a non-flowering plant. Its leaves are evergreen. Now students, non-flowering plants are those plants which do not have flowers on them. Fern and palm plant are example of two such type of plants. These plants are non-flowering and their leaves are always green and they do not bear flowers. Plants are our friends. Now students, I'll tell you that how plants are our friends. Number one, plants give us oxygen. Do you know that why we need oxygen? We need oxygen to breathe. Plants produce oxygen for us, so plants are our friends. Students, plants are important and only source of oxygen for all the human beings on the earth. Oxygen is very, very important for all the human beings because oxygen is required to breathe. So we can say that plants are our friends. Plants give us fruits. Do you know where we get fruits from? Plants give us fruits. They give us different fruits throughout the year. We get mango, apple, orange, banana and other fruits from plants. So plants are our friends. Yes students, plants also give us so yummy, tasty and healthy fruits. We all eat fruits, right? We have different favorite fruits, like some of you may like mango and some of you may like apple, some of you may like grapes. Beta, all these fruits are very yummy and very healthy. So you should eat fruits, okay? Now next we have plants give us vegetables. Do you know where we get the vegetables from? Plants give us vegetables. They give us different vegetables throughout the year. Yes, students, it is true that we eat different vegetables in our daily routine. Some vegetables are used after cooking. We eat them with chapati. We get tomato, potato, cucumber and other vegetables from plants. So plants are our friends. And beta, there are some vegetables which are used for making salads like cucumber. Now next we have plants give us wood. Do you know where we get the wood from? We get wood from trees. All the furniture in our classroom and at our home is made up of wood. The stem of trees is used as wood, so plants are our friends. See students, there is one more advantage of the plants. All the furniture in our homes and in our schools is made up of wood. And from where we get the wood? Yes, students, tell me, from where we get the wood? Yes, we get the wood from the trees. And this is one more way in which plants are serving us. Now next we have plants give beautiful flowers and greenery. What do you do to make your garden beautiful? We grow different plants in our garden to make it beautiful. Plants produce beautiful flowers of pretty colors. They make our surroundings beautiful, so plants are our friends. See students, plants also make our surroundings beautiful. If we want to make our garden beautiful, what we will do? We will grow plants because they produce beautiful flowers of different colors and their smell is also very pleasant. Next, trees give us shade. Where do you sit in a hot day? We sit under the shadow of trees in a hot day. Trees provide us shade. They save us from the heat of sun, so plants are our friends. See students, in summer plants provide us shade and this shade protects us from the heat of sun. So again we can say that plants are our friends because they are serving us. Now students, this is all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.